Great learners, today I just want us to practice how to draw a closed vector diagram. So here we're given a board, an object that is being hanged. So if this object is hanged like this, how are we going to draw a vector diagram? We have 30 degrees here, so let us draw a free body diagram before we draw the vector diagram. So if we are to draw a free body diagram, we must draw all the forces that are acting on the object. So the first one that we are going to have is weight, or Fg. Then we are also going to have a tension here. This is tension number 1, then this is tension number 2. So we're going to have T1 here, then we're going to have T2 here. Then we need an angle here. So our angle here is gonna be 30 degrees. Since this one is alternating to this one. Yeah, the 30 degrees is gonna be here. This is our 30 degrees because they alternate. So if we are to draw a closed vector diagram, we are supposed to draw a triangle. Triangle. So we have a weight which is pointing downward, and even if we are drawing the closed vector diagram, it must also point downward. So this one is facing, T2 is facing this side. We're going to draw it like this. Then we have our T1 which is pointing to the right. So even on our vector diagram, it must point to the right. Is something like this. So this is 90 degrees. This is 30. Remember, the 30 is at the tail of T2. So we're going to put it here. Then this one, we can calculate this one using the sum of angles in a triangle. 180 minus 90, it's 90, minus 30, it's 60. So it's 60 here. Then we are done. This is our part 1. Then we're going to do part 2 of drawing vector diagrams. Thanks for watching.